Alright guys, we're on a hardwood screen and recoat today for a client that booked 2 weeks ago, got on the schedule. Stay tuned. Alright Facebook, YouTube, today we're doing a screen and recoat of some red oak floors. The satin sheen, you can see the water damage there. We're gonna try to pump sand that out. And we're gonna do a satin sheen with polyurethane water base. As you can see, floors just need a little recoat. This is a good indication as you see the kind of the protection wearing off and it's dull in a couple spots and just needs a good popping. In this situation, guys, and these floors don't need to be sanded, they need to be screened. And then, again, this is a maintenance service, as you guys know. And we're gonna screen and recoat of 2 coats of polyurethane, making these floors look beautiful again. And just in time for the holidays. You can see we're doing this area right here. Kitchen, dining room, small little hallway over there, and then a foyer area. And that's gonna do it. And of course, right through here, this hallway, and that foyer area right there. And that's gonna be a wrap. So stay tuned for results. And as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. All right, guys, I'm tacking the floors now, getting up any loose debris before we start screening and braiding the floors. Again, we're in Wildwood, Missouri, and we're doing a screen recoat at $250 a square foot. Again, guys, it's half the cost of sanding, and we can get this service done the same day, and they can walk on it 3 hours after I'm done. So it's definitely a great thing. They did move all the furniture out of the area, and it's going to be good. And after this, we have another 2 estimates to do after this, and then hardwood estimates, and then a duck estimate quote. And then we got full schedule this week, getting ready before Christmas. If you guys are interested in getting it done, your floors done before the holidays, definitely reach out and see if we can accommodate you. Stay tuned. Again, guys, these are on-site red oak hardwood floors. As you can see, there's no spaces or levels in the middle in between the boards, so this is on-site. That's why this could be screen and recoated. Typically, if it's pre-finished, you can't. I mean, you can for certain situations, but normally you can't. It has to be fully sanded, but when it's finished on site, we can actually screen and recoat it, which again is a maintenance service. Where basically we knock off your old protection and reapply new protection, extending the life of the hardwoods. All right, guys, we're getting some good abrasion. You can see, screening it now. And all that stuff you see is an old polyurethane. That's not the wood, that's poly. We're sucking up right to our vacuum, so it stays out of the air, dustless. Again, we don't take off wood, we're taking off the poly. All right, guys. Going good. Stay tuned for results. Again, as always, pay the fee. Don't forget to subscribe and share. All right, guys, just got done finishing the screening. Now I'm getting ready to tack the floors. That's the next step. And then when we get done, we're going to clean them and tack them again. And vacuum all this up. Again, all this fine powder is actually old polyurethane. It's not the wood, it's the poly that we took off. Again, they're going to go with the satin sheen. Now we put that protection down. It will go down glossy, but as it evaporates, it will turn to a satin sheen of protection. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm rolling the first coat of poly now. Going good. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, I'm doing a little edging with my little T-bar here. Again, this is the first coat of protection of polyurethane. It's responding well. Hope you guys are having a great day. And again, if you need the service, it is cheaper than sanding. Tap the cost actually, it'll get you done the same day, and it's dustless. All right, guys, stay tuned. Beautiful. Started the first coat, applied the first coat of poly. I'm gonna come back about an hour and a half, apply the second coat. All responded well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, let's check out the floors. We just got back from lunch. Let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got back from lunch. Floors looks absolutely great. That was a water damage stain, couldn't get that out, but look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is the first coat, satin sheen. Wow. Gorgeous. All right, guys, applying the second coat of poly as we speak. It's going well. Beautiful. All right, guys, that is 2 coats. All looks good. Thanks for watching.